My drone is ready. He called me yesterday and said, come and get it. I said, dang, it's 4 o'clock. I ain't trying to get back at 7. I'm gonna come get it tomorrow, which is today. And I'm on my way to go get my drone. So, man, big shout out to him, man. I got about an hour drive until I get to my drone, and I'm excited.
How you doing today, man?
Doing good. Got everything working? Yeah, got it. Yep, they treat me good so far.
Cool.
So I'm excited. Like I said, I'm gonna be recording. Just gotta fix my drone. So I'm excited to see it.
Thank you.
This is my baby. Got the wing back on it.
Yes, sir. Here's your Christmas present. Take a look at it.
Got a whole new body.
This was our damaged area right here. Due to the impact, it was cracked in this area, and this support area was taken out.
Okay.
And this pivot right here that actually controls the folding and unfolding and allows it to transfer thrust into the body, that was damaged. So we replaced, obviously, the pivot in the middle shell.
Cool.
And once I got everything transferred over.
This arm is new.
The arm is not new. The arm is good.
Okay.
It passed inspection.
Okay.
Flying colors. I didn't see the need to charge you any extra for something you did not need.
You got the new camera.
Brand new camera.
It looks good. Can't even tell the difference.
Thank you. She has been recalibrated, flight tested.
Okay.
I'm going to show you a trick I'm sure a lot of the drone guys know, and you may already know this one.
I'm looking.
Days like this, when you don't have a lot of cloud cover, you may get a little frustrated waiting on satellite locks. Once I confirm that it may take a little bit, right now we're not showing any, I'll arm the motors and then disarm them.
Got 10.
I do like to let it sit just for a second.
Okay.
It being a computer, I want it to give it the opportunity to throw up any error messages it may.
There she is. All right, guys, so I made it home. I got my drone back. I am so excited that my drone got fixed. The cool thing about Mike fixing my drone, I hope I can call you Mike, and it was also great to meet you, man, is I actually get my parts back that were replaced. So this really lets me know that he did what he said he was going to do, and I really appreciated his honesty from the first phone call that we had. And I really wish I would have recorded that first phone conversation, because he was very thorough. He knew what he was talking about. And all I did was send him a picture of what happened to my drone. And he was able to basically give me a quote on how much it was going to cost to get this fixed. And these are all the parts that were replaced on my drone. So, as well as the body kit. So this actual part right here was also replaced. So the good thing about it is my drone is working now, and I have the spare parts to prove that it actually was fixed, which I can really appreciate. You can see right here on this part of the kit where that stuff broke off, but he fixed it, man. So I'm really excited. And it's actually cool to kind of see some inside of the hardware and me actually getting my drone back. He was able to use my propellers that I gave him, which I added to the kit, and I also still have some left, which is great, just in case something were to happen to them. I got all my stuff back, so everything is brand new. As you can see, the camera on it is brand new. He let me know that this camera is actually still good. So in the event that something was to ever happen to this camera, he said I can just replace it with this camera. So that's good to know, and I'll keep this stashed away. I got my drone back. I'm excited. Man, when I tell you this was an awesome experience, I really didn't know what to think. So the lights are still blinking. Let's go ahead and try to test it. So I found him by really just going on Google and searching for drone repair in Georgia, or drone repair near me. And funny enough, it found drone repair. So this is his website. This is his official website. And you just basically type in personaldronerepair.com. This comes up. He lets you know all the drones that he's fixed right here. And it's pretty simple and quick. If you need your drone fixed, you just go here to repair. It goes down to repair. Then it says drone repair begins here. Firmware installation here. And then there is shipping or drop off questions. Contact Mike. That's him. And if you need your drone repair, I didn't go this route. I just called him. So just to let you know, when you go into buy here, it's gonna take you to this screen where it wants you to pay a $65 deposit, which I'm gonna blank out all my personal information. However, he does do a $65 deposit just to do an overview of what's going on with your drone. If your drone is being fixed by him, then he will waive the deposit or just include it into whatever the repairs are. And then he will repair your drone. Drone is at 36%, but we in the house, so we ain't flying nowhere. All right, here we go. Yep, it works. We're gonna land it. We are landing it. So it works. We're just inside, and I don't want to destroy my room trying to fly this drone in the house. Man, I forgot how big this drone was. So I will be taking this bad boy out. If you was ever wondering if you can get your drone fixed after it get broke, yes, you can. Even if you have to mail your drone all the way to Winder, Georgia, your drone can be repaired. And there are people out there like Mike that can bring your drone back to 100%. Like you never lost it. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.